Hello and welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me. This is Miss Britney Lynn, out of drag. This is the look we're going to be doing today. We are making hair-covered antlers. Hair-covered antlers, that's what we're doing. So if you want to see this, keep watching. Today I'm going to attempt, I don't know if this is going to work, I'm going to attempt to create sort of a drag version of Max the dog from the Grinch when he has like the antler on his head. So anyway, I'm going to use, really trying to, especially now because of COVID, I'm not working as much. I'm trying to use what I have. So I looked around like, what can I make? I have some foam for extra, and I was going to make like little hip pad, smaller pads to go under my pad if I wanted it a little bigger. So it's just foam. I think I got it at like Joann's or a craft store. I'm going to attempt to attach these to a headband, carve them to make it shaped like an antler, attach it to a headband, cover it with hair. I got a gigantic pack of hair, like loose, like braiding hair from the beauty supply. It's just $3.99. First steps first, draw out more of a more antler shape and then trim that down and try and attach that to a headband. I also got zip ties to attach them to the headband. So, wish me luck. Okay, so, I tried to make like a stick antler-ish shape, and then I cut it out of the foam. I got stop. Very like Bullwinkle vibes. So now I'm gonna try to zip tie it to the headband. Let's see if that works.
These are times at the store, where I bought a lot of my Christmas decorations this year. Or any year, I don't actually own Christmas decorations until now. Okay, stop. You better work. I can't even, let's trim the things.
You better work, bitch. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Now,
Let's see, like, out. What I'm gonna do is take a chunk of the extra foam I have, and maybe shove it under. Keep it up.
a piece. Just literally cut it with scissors, stick the chunk under there. Let's zip tie the chunk.
Make it easy. Just so I cover the hair, it doesn't kind of like fall down. Do the same. Because it's so squishy, I can squeeze it flatter. Okay, so there's a little bit of support. Let's try and cover the hair.
A like loose bundle of hair. It's a 613. It's meant for braiding. It's like extremely long. The loose hair. Okay, so I have, comes with 3 of these bundles. So not gonna work. Let's cut the elastic that this comes on. Just gonna grab a bundle. Let's start with covering this.
So, I'm gonna start.
Little hairspray. So, just wrapping it around. Okay, let's just keep wrapping. This is happening, I guess. Okay, that is one of these. I've got two more. So I'm just gonna do the same on this side. Off camera. Be right back. It looks like ginger, like the actual food. So gross looking. It's fine. We're gonna cover it up. We're gonna fix it up. Put some decorations on it. I'm just gonna start covering the headband part. I'm literally just wrapping, like when I get to an end, just kind of tuck it in.
So it's really drippy. Let's see if we can add some hair on that side to kind of like push it back the other direction.
I look like all I see is ginger. It doesn't really look like hair anymore. Just getting like ginger vibes. Okay, so now the next part is decoration. I have tinsel, bows, some ribbon, garland. Okay, it's a lot longer than I thought it was. Side note, the package says 30 feet right on it, so I didn't feel the need to take a peek at that. Ornament time. They came like flat and then shiny ones. I dipped the shiny ones in glue and then shoved glitter on them. They're not totally dry. Oh, this is a wet one. Dewy. Alright, let's stick some bows on. And keeping this. No! We're losing balls. A little bit of garland. I don't know what I'm doing.
I don't know why I'm doing it. Oh, yes. Yes.
Hysterical. Okay. Also get a giant red bow from the dollar store. My thought is to like maybe put it here and kind of pretend like that's what's tying it on. Well, there we have it, folks. The final look. So I am going to put this on with some blonde hair to match. But here is our hair antlers decorated. Woof. And here's the final look. This is my version of Max the dog from the Grinch with his antlers on, but decorated, and the antlers are covered in hair because I feel like that works. That's what Max would do. Thank you for watching. Please watch my next video. Happy holidays. See you in the new year.